Today I'm going to be reviewing and putting on this Speck phone case. This is called the Candyshell Grip, and it's specifically for an iPhone 14 Pro, but they make them for all sorts of phones. This phone is built for MagSafe, so what that means is you can use the MagSafe charging connection through the case, actually. So that's kind of what this circle icon indicates. We've been using these phone cases for a long time, and we've had a lot of great success with them. It says that it's rated for an 8-foot drop, so that's pretty important. Sometimes you fumble your phone and you drop it, and the last thing you want is for it to break. So this is really helpful. It has these grips. It's like a texture, non-slip grip on the case that also helps prevent from dropping. So something we really love about these cases is it has impact protection, and we can stand behind that. We've dropped our phones so many times over the years, and they have not broken. So that's why we stick with this brand, because it continues to be successful for us. I'm not too sure about this antimicrobial protection. It does say it has it, but I don't know about that. I got this from Walmart, by the way. It was not too expensive, $20 or $25. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up now. So here it is. This is that texture I was talking about that kind of helps. So it's not a slippery case. It feels like a hard plastic shell. The inside's kind of cushiony. It's got this hole for the cameras on the phone. So to put it on, you just kind of push it into the corners and slide it around and down. It fits pretty easily, only takes a second. Snaps on quickly. Okay, here is the case. It fits really well. It is perfectly designed. I'm gonna really like this. I'm gonna leave a link in the description in case you want to get one as well. Thanks for watching.